A very important skill being assessed in a group discussion is your ability to think laterally. Lateral thinking is an individual's ability to think out of the box. It is your ability to think divergently and differently. It is your ability to think creatively. Now, lateral thinking can be applied in both factual and non-factual topics. A factual topic is one which is very, very crucial and dependent on certain key facts, whereas a non-factual topic is one which is totally dependent on your perception. However, lateral thinking can be applied in both the topics. For example, in a factual topic, after a while the discussion gets repetitive. Now, this calls for somebody to think out of the box and put forward a point which has not been previously discussed. So I think with respect to a factual topic, it reflects your ability to add a new and relevant idea. On the other hand, if you look at this skill, this ability with respect to a non-factual topic, it totally puts you positively across as a person who is able to understand the topic from a new dimension. For example, the topic for discussion is, do aliens exist? Now, typically the discussion would be around living conditions on Earth and possibilities of life beyond Earth. However, that somebody who's able to think divergently, that somebody who's able to think laterally, will be able to look at the topic from a different perspective. For example, here, the word alien has not been defined as someone who is not belonging to Earth. The word alien can be looked at from a different perspective, and that is achiever. Aliens are achievers. And if you look at any chapter of mankind, any part of history, we have always had achievers. So therefore, aliens here could be achievers. And you talk about Thomas Edison, you talk about Archimedes, you talk about Newton, you talk about M.K. Gandhi, you talk about Mark Zuckerberg. All these are examples of achievers, and therefore all these qualify as being aliens. So immediately you are able to talk about the topic from a different perspective, and suddenly you get a lot of energy in the discussion. And this energy is something which binds different members of the group. So lateral thinking will definitely put you across as a person who is able to treat the topic differently and create a favorable environment for others to come forward and participate. And this typically helps the group at times of crisis, at times when the discussion gets repetitive, at times when the fire needs more fuel, and definitely the lateral thinker would be able to add positively at all these points of crisis.